Greetings, mortals. I am Kratos, the god of war. Today, I bring you a message that transcends the realms, a lesson forged in the fires of chaos itself. We shall delve into the profound importance of embracing the present moment. In my tumultuous journey, I've learned that the past and the future are chains that can bind us. The past may haunt our every step, and the future may terrify us with its uncertainty. However, true power lies in the present. This moment, right now, is where we have the ability to shape our destiny. Life is chaos. Battles rage, storms roar, and fate weaves its intricate tapestry. Yet within the chaos, there is an oasis of serenity, the present moment. Amidst the turmoil, finding stillness within ourselves allows us to navigate the storm with grace. To truly master oneself, one must cultivate mindfulness, whether in battle or in stillness. Being fully present sharpens our focus, heightens our senses, and unveils a clarity that transcends the chaos around us. It is in this mindful state that we discover our true potential. The bonds we forge in the present moment are the pillars of our existence. Cherish those around you, for they are the companions in your journey. In the chaos of life, these connections are the anchors that keep us grounded. Even I, the god of war, am not immune to the consequences of my past. However, redemption lies not in dwelling on past mistakes, but in the choices we make in the present. Each moment is an opportunity to forge a new path, to transcend our past. Embrace the chaos, mortals. Find solace in the present moment, for it is the crucible in which your destiny is shaped. Face each challenge with the wisdom that the present is where true power resides. Until we meet again, may your journeys be filled with purpose.